Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amber, okay? And today in this video, I want to talk about something real quick, okay? Something that I have been noticing. If you know me, if you're subscribed to my channel, you know that I sometimes make hair videos, like wig videos and stuff like that. There's always a comment in every video, like in every hair, wig, weave video. You have long curly hair, you have long natural hair. Why are you even wearing wigs? You don't even need wigs. So these type of comments I get every time when I'm wearing a wig, or when I'm making a hair video, or when I'm posting a picture with a wig or something like that. I always get these type of comments. Thing is, I wear wigs because I want to wear wigs. There is no criteria for wearing wigs. Like, you can only wear wigs if you have this type of hair or this type of length of hair or something like that. No, you can wear wigs no matter how long your hair is, no matter how big your hair is. Like, you can wear them if you want. And I like to wear wigs sometimes because the truth is, like, okay, my hair is kind of long or whatever, and I know how to take care of my hair or whatever, but I like to take a break from my hair too, you know. Having long natural hair is not always that fun, and you know, it's cute to look at, but the work that goes behind the scenes, you guys, it's just a lot. And sometimes I want to take a break from my hair for a week or so, and I braid up my own hair and I put a wig on and I rock the wig like I'm rocking my wig right now for a week, and that's it. And that's why I wear wigs, because I want to take a break from my natural hair. It's not always nice to have your hair out. If you have a lot of hair, like especially in summer, that's absolutely the worst. Then you just want to braid up your own hair and put on a wig or something like that and just rock that wig. You know, sometimes I wear like shorter hair, sometimes like now I'm wearing like long sleek hair. And by the way, if you want to know the hair details, everything will be in the description box, okay? So you can check that out. But still, I just wear wigs whenever I want to wear wigs, and it's not because my hair is long that I'm going to stop wearing wigs or that I can't wear wigs. I can fit all my hair under a wig cap. If I have a large wig cap, then everything is okay. Like the wig that I'm currently wearing, I created this wig myself, and I used a extra large wig cap, and the hair, like the wig is fitting just perfect on my hair. I don't even need bobby pins or combs or glue or whatever to hold this hair. I'm good. Also, sometimes I just want to switch up my hairstyle. I don't want to wear my hair curly like 24/7 for the rest of my life. Like sometimes I want to rock straight hair, and then I just wear a wig. Simple. Then I just wear a straight wig, and then I don't have to straighten my hair for 5 hours in the heat, and then just wear straight hair for 4 days, and then it just starts to revert back to a blow-dried state. Yeah, that's my hair. And it takes 0.1 seconds to just slap on the wig and go out the door. Especially because this is a closure wig, so I don't have to worry about all the edges things. That's to answer your question. I like to switch up my hairstyle. I like to take a break from my hair. And also, this is great. Like if you want to grow your hair underneath protective styles, wigs are great. Especially like wigs with the closure. I really recommend that if you want to grow your hair. It's a great protective style because my hair underneath this is perfectly moisturized. It is hidden from all the elements like the harsh sun and rain and wind outside, and it's just protected, and it's like resting in peace. No, not resting in peace. I don't know how to say it. It's chilling, like in peace. I don't have to worry about anything. I know a lot of people say like, oh, but you look better with your own hair. You don't need all of that, this and that. But I like to. It's just what I like. So I will just continue to do me. Yeah, that's it. There's nothing more I can say about it. It's just what I like to do. So yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the description box, in the comment section. I always mix it. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Promise